Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am going to be participating in the DIY Kitchen Countertop Decor Collab that's being hosted by Sharon of the channel Creative Glam. She asked us to create either a vignette or centerpiece of some sort for our kitchen counter. And I have one little corner of my counter that doesn't get used very often, in which I'm going to create a vignette. So if you'd like to see what I've done, stay tuned. This is the corner of my kitchen that I'm going to decorate with the vignette. As you can see, it has a mixer covered there and this outlet and switches in the backsplash. And I'd like to somewhat camouflage that since this side of the kitchen faces my family room. You can see over here, here's my mantle. So I want to add a little bit of seasonal decor in this particular corner. So stay with me while I decorate. The first thing I want to do is create some height to hide the switches and the mixer. So I'm going to place this plate stand right here, and then I'm going to take one of my cream and gold chargers and place it on the stand. So that does a pretty good job of hiding the switches and distracts the eye from the red because this is a lighter color. So the next thing I'm going to do is place this clear ginger jar type vase up against the plate. And I have filled the vase with these faux Easter eggs faux eggs. They're kind of natural colors. There's a tan color, a cream color, this robin eggs blue. There's even a peachy color, a little bit of a peachy color. Actually, I think it's picking up some of the red from the mixer cover. And then there's also some pale green. And then I've put this fake hydrangea, it's green hydrangea that I got from Walmart, into the vase as well. And then the very last thing I'm going to do is place some bunnies. Now I picked these bunnies up last year from the Target dollar spot area. Which I think I'm going to put this bunny here and put this one here. Do it like that. I think I'm going to actually move it a little bit and do it like this. Now, see how I change my mind about things? I want that up against there, but I'm going to put the bunnies like this, I think. Okay, here's my final look. This was very inexpensive to put together because I already had all of these items on hand. But it creates a nice little display in this corner of my kitchen to draw your eye away from the mixer, and it does a very good job of hiding the outlet and switches. And it ties in very nicely with the decor that I have on my mantle for spring. And also the egg candle holders that I created. I will link both of those videos for you if you haven't seen them. So, what did you think? If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know you did, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part was. And again, if you are new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? I do post several videos a week, as I mentioned in the intro, on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And lastly, I'd like to thank Sharon for hosting this challenge. If you're not familiar with her channel, please be sure to check her out, and also be sure to check out the playlist of the other participants, which I'll have linked in the description box down below. I appreciate all of you watching. I hope you're having fun decorating your home for spring and Easter. I know I am. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.